started? Okay. Um, Good morning. Okay, are you gonna let me over? Okay, okay. Good morning, everybody. Tatiana and I are on our way to the Long Beach Convention Center for the KJLH Women's Health Expo. I will be speaking on a panel at 12:30, sponsored by Kaiser. Um, I don't remember the details. So yeah, we'll be talking about women's health, things like that, and wigs are definitely part of women's health. So I had to put on my good wig today. And what's going on today? What are you guys getting into? It's almost Memorial Weekend. We are having our BOGO sale coming up. We have new inventory in store. Um, BOGO. Are we ready for the BOGO sale?
Ready. We have so much new inventory. We're fully in stock of a lot of different lengths and textures. We have a lot of exciting colors coming. So we're ready.
A lot of fun colors. We're doing some coppers. We will have more inventory than we've ever had. We're actually building more shelves in about 2 weeks to accommodate for all of our new inventory. So that's why it is important that you make an appointment before you come in. That way we're ready and there's not too many people in the store at one time. So yeah, make sure you're subscribed to our newsletter. You can subscribe on our website, magichaircompany.com.
What wigs do you think are going to go first in the BOGO sale?
I think a lot of our short curly wigs. Yeah, our short curly wigs, especially the ones with some color.
I'll say 14 to 16 body wig.
14 to 16 inch body wave. We also have our 14-inch straights. We have some of those in stock. Some of our pre-colored ones.
I think the 12-inch ones that we thought would be really popular too.
Yes, the 12-inch one. We have some 10-inch ones. And yeah, let us know what you guys are looking for, and we're here to assist you. But I'm really excited to speak on this panel about Black women's health today. Um, yeah, I'm working on a partnership with Kaiser and Cedar Sinai and the City of Hope to get grants established so I can help women who are losing their hair or have any sort of hair loss issues get grants and subsidization from those organizations directly to mine to get new wigs on any and everybody who wants them. So that's one of the things we're working on. So if you fall into those categories, stay tuned. I'm working on some programs to get you ladies funding for your wigs. So subscribe to our newsletter. That way I'll be able to let you guys know what's going on and when I can help you there. In the meantime, we're having our Memorial Day BOGO sale. It is already set up on our website. It is an automatic discount at checkout, so you don't need to put any sort of code in. It's automatic. Buy one wig, your second wig will be half off the lower value wig. So that's a great sale. It's the first time I've done this, and we'll see how it goes. Let us know in the comments or send us a message if you guys have any questions. As usual, use the chat box on the website. We do have our chat box, which a lot of times during and off of business hours, you can connect with one of us and somebody will assist you with your questions and help you set up an appointment. Currently, we're open Monday through Saturday, so we're open every day except for Sunday. So make an appointment to come in. You can try on wigs. You can talk with our colorist. She's available right now to take custom color appointments. That's one thing that you really can't get anywhere is custom color. Say, I want pow, 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 do this picture, and we can do that for you at Magic Hair Company. Not only can we duplicate the color as close as possible, not exact, but very close, sometimes even better. But we can, it'll also be with quality hair. So, like this hair, I hate when people come in with that cheap blonde hair that's stringy and hard and flaky. That's not what you're going to get when you shop with us at Magic Hair Company. You're going to get quality hair. It's easy. Our wigs are glueless. You just put them on. If you want a little extra security, use a little got to be free spray, but you don't have to do that whole gluing your wig down thing. Our wigs are glueless. They're glueless, convenient, quality, natural wigs. Shop with us if you want the best at Magic Hair Company, ladies. Today we are closed because we are at the KGLH Women's Health Expo. So, but we don't have any appointments scheduled today. We did not schedule anybody today. And also, we're having a problem with our phone lines, unfortunately. I know we were yesterday, so hopefully we're not having that problem today. If we are, leave a message. It'll be fixed soon. It's something wrong with the internet in the neighborhood. So if you're trying to contact us, it's not that we're ignoring you. There's something wrong with the phones, and we're not there today. But if you leave us a DM or a message, we'll try to see that or check that, or use our chat on our website. That always works. Use the chat on our website if you need any assistance from us, or if you have any questions about the BOGO sale.
How long is the sale?
The sale will be until the 29th. So I believe that is next Monday, which is Memorial Day. We will be closed on Memorial Day. So next Monday, we will not be open, but you will still be able to do the BOGO sale online. And we are closed today, and we are closed on Monday, Memorial Day. So catch our BOGO sale. We have a lot of great wigs. A lot of things will be updated on the website this week, even during our sale, because we just got a really big new shipment in. We're also updating the website. So be on the lookout for X, Y, and Z, because over the next couple of weeks, we will be updating the website. We're getting a lot of new wigs in. So for you ladies who like long wigs, I got you. I'm getting some really nice long wigs. The perfect thing about my wigs are when you get plans like this, and either you don't have time to book with your stylist, or you just don't want the hassle, you can pull out one of our quality wigs from your closet and you're good to go, and you look like the baddest thing there, because you have quality hair, not that cheap hair that gets all bunched up on your neck or anything like that. This is perfect for vacation, perfect for work, perfect for brunch, easy maintenance, natural hairline, quality hair. You are good to go. So yeah, BOGO sale. This is the first time we've done this, so hopefully it works out. Everybody likes what's going on.
It's a great opportunity to get two different textures. Like when you're debating between two textures, and you get the other one half price. So it's a great opportunity to get like a wavy and a deep body wave, or a curly and a wavy. It's a great opportunity to do that. Or different colors. Like if you want a different color option for the weekend, you want to do a little bit of color, but in the office you want to keep it natural. It's a great opportunity to get two different looks.
Yep.
That you can use.
And this is not for custom orders. This is for orders that are in stock online and orders that are already in store, which we have a lot of inventory in store. We have a lot of new inventory that's going up right now. So, yeah, this is a great time to get two wigs for a great discount. Let us know if there's something that you want or that you're looking for that is not on the website. Because we probably have it, it's just not on the website yet.
Are the 360s included?
Yes, everything is included, even the 360 wigs. But our 360 wigs are not available online. They're only available in stores. So
They can send us an invoice.
yes,
We can send them an invoice.
yes, we can send you an invoice. So if there's something specific that you're looking for, like I know with our 360 wigs, we have like 14s, 16s through 20s and curlies and straights, and we have some kinky straights. So if you're specifically looking for a 360 wig, you will have to contact us and we will send you out an invoice, because those are not available on our website because they are special order that are discontinued. So we didn't want to put them on the website just to take them on and then take them off. So they're only in store. And there's currently not a discount on color. And come on in, make an appointment, come shop with us. Shop with us if you want the best, natural, easy, great quality wigs. All right, guys, we are on our way to the convention center. Um, BOGO sale going on now at magichaircompany.com. We have the best lace wigs, and I can't wait to see you guys soon. Maybe I'll pop in a little bit later. All right, see you soon. Bye.